What's up everyone, Nathan here. In today's video I'm going to show you 5 side jobs to make extra money online from home in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, before we get started, keep in mind this kind of extra jobs is not that you can make a full-time income on. If you're serious and want to build a real online business and make some serious money online, you should definitely check out the link in my description below here. At the end of this video, of course. But this is definitely a few jobs that you can get started with to make some extra money online while you work on your business long term. Alright. With that being said, let's get started. So the first job that you can actually do is teaching online. And I have already done a video in the past about teaching, but just to give you a quick reminder here. You don't have to limit yourself to just teach English, for example, because it's probably something that it is like the first that comes into your mind there that, okay, I can teach English. But it's not only teaching English, because there is a lot of other things. So if we just have a look at a few sites here, we can have a look at chegg.com, chegg.com. You can see here online tutoring jobs, start tutoring online with Chegg Tutors, and you can see that you can make actually up earn $1,000 per month. It starts at $20 per hour, which is pretty good in my opinion. Okay, so you can see that there is a lot of tutors here. It's not only, as I said, with teaching English. If you are interested in teaching English, then VIPKidTeachers.com is definitely a good option for you, because look at this, VIPKidTeachers.com, you can earn up to $22 per hour, teach English online, and you can pick your own hours, be your own boss here. So this is definitely a site that you want to have a look at if you're interested in teaching English. But as I said, you can definitely have a look at Chegg here for tutoring, and why not even go to a site like Fiverr.com, which I've already mentioned. You can see they teach tons of stuff there. It's not only English. I've seen a lot of weird stuff that they teach online. So if you think you're skilled in something, you're expert in something, definitely go ahead and search for that by tutoring. And of course like a freelance sites also. So you can actually do online teaching. The second thing that you can do is be some kind of a virtual assistant. And you can go to virtualassistantjobs.com. This is the site that I am right now here. And you can see here there is a lot of companies and people, they do post jobs. So they want to outsource it. And that's where you can come in. A lot of popular jobs here are actually, you can see here, typist, keyers. You can make $13.50 per hour. Medical device company needs first and second shift data entry keyers to work remotely. No experience is required. Data entry virtual assistants, $15 to $17 per hour. It is a web hosting company that has immediate need for home-based virtual assistant, and they provide you with the training. We have another one here, data entry of financial records, $12 to $15 per hour. National accounting tax firm needs part-time virtual assistant for client financial files. So definitely a lot of opportunities here. Here's more data entry specialists. It's probably the most popular here, but they do have some chat. You could be an assistant, call live operators, for example. So there is tons of opportunities inside here to be some kind of a virtual assistant. So that is also another good option actually. Let's have a look at here. Immediate hire, for example, salary range $30 to $35 per hourly rate. Senior data entry specialist. So You see, there is tons of opportunities. Just go to virtualassistantjobs.com here and have a look around at the sites there. And the next thing that you could actually do as a side job is be some kind of a tester. What you do is actually you apply for this site. Usertesting.com is one example, and they want you to visit a website or an application, and then they want you to complete some kind of tasks, to speaking out your thoughts loud, and of course you get paid with that. So you can see here how it works. You get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So basically they tell you to go to a specific site. If you can find something in particular, let's say if you could find the red dress there, they do it because they want to improve, of course, their websites or their application. Also, if it is a new application that they will launch on the market there. And the best thing is that they come to a site like this. They want their feedback from users because that's how they improve, of course, their websites and the applications. It's totally free to sign up for. This is a very popular site. You can see here it has been mentioned in the New York Times, Lifehacker, Huffington Post, and Wall Street Journal. A lot of companies that has used this company also, like Microsoft, Facebook, Dropbox. And you do need only actually a computer, more or less a PC or a Mac. You do need to have the ability to download the software. Of course, you must be 18 years old, and ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. Now, if you can have some external microphone, it would probably be better. So there you have it about be as a tester. Another job that you can do that is really easy actually to get started with is transcribing. So you can actually be a transcriptionist. I've already mentioned this site, transcribeme.com. So you can see here, become a paid transcriptionist today, transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. Also very simple to get started with. You basically just need headphones to be able to listen to very well what you're going to type, and then you have to transcribe. It is very popular and super easy to do, in my opinion. So you can see we are highly acclaimed by leading work from home authorities for our intuitive platform, regular payouts, and steady work from stream. So they actually start to pay $15 to $22 per audio hour, which is not bad at all. And top monthly earnings at $2,200, average monthly earnings of $250. So definitely a good side job. There is few more sites online, of course. I've already mentioned them in some other videos, but I think TranscribeMe would be the most popular. You can, of course, also go to a site like Fiverr.com and apply your service there, that you can do transcribing. So you don't just wait for one company here. I always recommend that you should sign up for a few of these companies so you can have some extra money on there on a continuous basis. All right, so another job that you can do is actually do some kind of tasks. There is a site called TaskRabbit online, and people come here if they want look at this, actually someone to mount a TV or a mirror, so you do need to check out what is available actually in your area here. But it's definitely a site worth to have a look at, taskrabbit.com, because here you're not limited. You can do offline work from this online site actually. You can move boxes via truck, clean a bathroom or something like that. So definitely worth to have a look at. Another thing you can do actually is do tasks like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. And there is a site like InstaGC, and also a site that I showed recently here is Timebucks, that you actually get paid for just signing up. You do need to sign up through my link, of course, to get paid. You will find a link in the description here for Timebucks also, but there is a few ways here that you can make money, and if we go to the earn section here, you can see first off you can make money with surveys. You can see here you just apply and answer a few surveys here. There is videos, so you just watch videos and you get paid. A referral program, which is very good in my opinion, because they pay 5 levels down. So when you sign up, example through my link, I will get 15%, but the next one that signs up, I will get 2%. So it goes on and on and on. So the more people that shares, it's a good level here. It's actually 5 levels that you can get paid. There is offer walls, mining tasks, there is social. The social tasks is also very simple to do. Let me see here. There you have it. You get paid actually for just subscribing to a YouTube channel here. Or for example Instagram, follow someone on Instagram and you get paid. So it is really simple, and this changes daily, so there is every day new opportunities. You can see here new tasks available today, and you have something with Bitcoin here, some cash back. The cool thing is that they actually pay in cash through PayPal with Timebucks. I like that a lot, so it's not only gift cards. So definitely a site worth to sign up for, and you'll find the link of course in the description below here. Alright, that's it about 5 side jobs to make extra money online from home in 2019. Keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you probably won't get rich with these kind of opportunities. If you're interested in making some serious money online and building a long-term business, then you definitely want to check out my #1 recommendation in the link below here. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Before you leave, you see an end screen here right after I leave, and you'll find 2 channels to subscribe to. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both those channels because they are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded, and you also find another video recommendation here. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.